We're here at KANZEN Motorsports and we're just going to have a quick look around. I think one by one we'll come and do some deep dive into some of these cars, but we'll have a quick look around today. So who am I with?
So I'm Fike. I'm one of the owners of KANZEN Motorsports. Started this place in 2016 out of pure passion and interest in Japanese junk.
So he's working on my car at the moment, which is I'm doing a deep dive in. But some of the cars we've got in here today are, what's this?
So this is something very unique. It's a KANZEN i31 GTR, well GTS, but it is
Nice blue, huh?
Yeah, it's a beautiful blue. It's running on RB20 GTR, but we don't have many of these here. Yeah.
So I think this is like super rare.
Yes, it is. And the interior, just immaculate.
Yeah, nice clean interior. Okay, I spotted something there at the corner of my eye. This blue R34.
Yes.
This is an S1.
This is an S1.
Omari factory.
Yep, it has an S1 motor. It is a very close friend of ours who rebuilt this car and shipped it down from Australia.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they're all actually getting ready for the Grand Picnic this Sunday.
That's happening this Sunday, right? It's Safa Park. Got an MR2.
Yeah.
That looks like it's had a bit of work on it. And then there is, what's that over in the corner there, hiding with the bonnet up?
That is a R34 GTR with an HKS crate motor that is rated.
The 2.8? The 2.8 crate motor.
Yep, 2.8 crate motor with a V-cam.
And the turbo, is it like?
Yep, it's a G35 1000 with an R-Tech manifold. Still individual throttle bodies. Didn't go single throttle body yet. Our goal with this car was to reach, although the motor is built for 1,000, we don't want to hit 1,000.
Yeah.
We want to hit 600-700 as early as we can in the RPM range.
Right, okay. So high response.
Yes.
That's why the turbo is not massive, but still. Nice motor, very rare. Oh, a nice R34 V-Spec 2.
Yeah. Oh, this is very interesting. Well, I would say this is kind of a build that we'd like to do on yours.
What are those rims? Carbon?
Carbon lit 3-piece wheels.
Oh, we got to come back and do a deep dive on this. 35 brakes on this.
Yes, 35 brakes, please watch your head. So this car, how much power do you think this is making?
It's got twins. Garrett twins.
Let's see by the way it looks.
For me, 450, 500.
So this car, although it looks stock, it's still running the twin turbo stock. Intake pipe, it's running an Ismo intake manifold. It's got a built motor. On ethanol, this is north of 600 real.
Okay, so that's my target.
Yes, but what I like is.
Oh, but it's ethanol, right?
Yes. But
So
stock it's looking.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right. That airbox is Nismo.
Well. Yes.
Original Nismo.
Yeah.
It's like touching gold. This.
But you know, this is actually a 3-piece kit. So this feeds off
The bonnet. Yeah.
that scoops off the front.
Yeah. Fully thought about that. Yeah.
So
Fully integrated.
So the hood, the scoop, and this is all separately. When you join them together, it's very big. Very functional.
Very functional. Probably hard to get hold of as well. Very rare.
And because of stocks, the prices as well. Very good.
What's that in the corner there? The black one?
That's a GTR 32. We were in the midst of installing a PPG built gearbox, but waiting for the right clutch to run.
Ah, okay. It's not the 1700 one that was here earlier. No,
no.
That's gone.
Those are on the way to Texas.
Oh, they're going to the Texas.
This is a 2.8 liter build, but when we were formulating, when we were thinking about the build a couple of years ago, we couldn't find anyone, a machinist good enough to do shimless buckets. So this actually had a shim jump off its place.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's getting the head rebuilt, but this time shimless bracket converted. It's going to be better than it was before.
Better and more durable.
Yes, 100%.
All right, that's good. So at some point, when I get time, we'll come and do a deep dive on these cars one by one with the owner's permissions.
We should actually take one of them out for a nice drive.
Yeah.
And then review them.
Yeah, sure. That would be good.
That's
Yeah.
what we should do.
On the Mexico streets.
Yes, not in the UAE. Not in the UAE.
This is one of the cars that's in the garage. It's RX3, fully built, about 700 wheel horsepower. I think this car was imported from Australia. They're just putting a tune on it, a basic tune, to get it running and see if it starts. What's this running again?
So it's a 13B built pack motor from Australia. It's running E85 as fuel, big turbo build. Supposed to be a very quick drag car.
ECU?
Haltech.
Okay.
And it's tuned and set up by Motorsport Mechanical in Australia. It's running a Vortex E1212 dash.
Let's have a look at that dash.
Yeah, have a look at it.
Let it warm up a bit, huh?
So, what we're looking at is the fuel tank that's been just deep cleaned. We haven't painted it. We haven't done any coating on it, just a nice little clean.
These straps are original or we got new ones?
So they are original, but...
Wow, they're in good condition, huh?
Yeah, after powder coating, I mean, you do that treatment and everything comes out brand new, really. And then over here we've got the zinc plated bolts.
Yeah.
We try and zinc as much as we can, but if we find that the bolts are in bad shape, we replace them.
Yeah.
To exact standard itself.
And then the fuel lines all gone back in, all the original fuel lines, yeah?
Sir, but soon as Radium wakes up and sends us our stuff, we're going to replace this with the Radium lines.
So all these lines are going to be replaced with the Radium kit, which is ordered. So
what we got...
doing another video on that.
Yeah. So what we got is, we got the Radium top hat with a aftermarket fuel pump and the surge kit in the tank.
Okay.
Great is when you pop the trunk, you're not going to see a surge tank. It's all going to be built into the stock tank.
Okay.
Lines from the top of the tank to the front of the engine are all going to be E85 approved high pressure fuel lines by Radium.
Yeah.
Includes new brackets as well, so that's why we didn't pay attention to these.
Okay.
It's all going to come out and I'm going to have new green unit.
And then we've got Radium fuel rail and oil catch can.
Yes, so it's all Radium.
All Radium.
All Radium.
So fully sponsored.
Yes, fully sponsored.
Not really, but sponsored by me.
Yes, exactly.
But we go with one unit because, you know, it's a fuel system, no headache.
Yes,
and this fuel system is, I think, what, good for 600-700 horsepower?
Yeah, well, see, what I like about the Radium fuel system is it's a one-time purchase and it's modular.
Yeah.
If you want to add up to 3 pumps, you can without changing the top hat that you purchased already.
Yeah.
So next, say in a year, you want to shoot out more power, all you got to do is add one more pump in and you're done.
Yeah.
So you're not redoing the whole thing all over again, right?
Yeah.
So we spend smart. When it comes to the underbody, well, to be honest, once we gave it a deep clean, I was quite surprised of how the condition was. We did have small surface rust on the bottom of this, which we
brushed out.
We did a bit of treatment and we underbody coated just those areas, and also the chassis legs and the back end.
Surface rust though, right?
Very surface rust, very minor. But we did seam seal all the edges around so we don't have no moisture going back in there. And we seam sealed right here as well because it had a very big sandwich opening, so this is all done.
Yeah.
We didn't seam seal all of it because some of them are water drips.
Yes.
I mean, and if you seal that up, you're just busting the
right. Okay, you're just catching water.
Exactly. But I think look, we're kind of addressing everything that we can, and it's coming out well. It would have been a shame to cover all of this up.
Yeah.
It's all original. This is what we sprayed, so
yeah,
we
see
try
that.
and kept it very original.
And what do we have here? Here are the Super Pro bushes. So all the originals will be replaced with these. There's a few more of these on the way, but this will give a better ride and more durability over the long term. It's So they're going to rebuild everything up, installing these. So this knuckle, as you can see, all the rubber on here, these are all going to be replaced with the Super Pro, and you can see this one here starting to go. So these will be replaced. This will be replaced with the Super Pro. Apparently this seal kit will also be replaced as well. This has been water jetted with the old bushes and seals on. You can see close up, it's come out really well. So everything's going to get done on the car, hopefully. Try and put it back to as much factory, well, not factory, but as clean as possible.
Over here we've got the front wheel bearings.
Original Nissan. Okay.
Nissan.
You ordered them from Japan?
Yes, they're rear wheel bearings, sorry. These are the fronts, they push into the front knuckle.
Yes, that was what I was just filming, yeah.
Yes, and these are the bearing seals, dust seals all around for the bearings, and diff seals all in here.
Alright, that's great. So these go, like I showed on the knuckle, these go into the parts on the knuckle, the bearings and the seals, yeah?
Yes.
All brand new from Japan, Nissan.
Yep.
Cool, full refurbishment. So the rear front subframe, front and rear, got sent away. All the arms have been powder coated in black. Sway bar powder coated in black. The knuckles have all been water jetted, and they'll all get new gaskets and everything been brought back to new. And then the disc protectors on the inside have all been powder coated as well. And here we have, it's still, everything's wrapped, but here we have the subframe, front and rear. And then this one is, this is top right, front, rear. So powder coated, cleaned, obviously dipped, cleaned, and then powder coated. So all back to new. So all these again will be start to be reassembled on the car, and then all of the bolts, as mentioned, all went away for zinc coating, everything underneath, and then anything that's damaged will be obviously we go for new ones from Nissan genuine parts. It's taking a little bit of time. The car's been up here for a bit longer than expected.
One of your axles right here, we've taken them apart, cleaned out the joints in here, put in new grease, new axle boots, new clips, and while they're at it, when everything is off, we've just high temp enameled the axle itself.
High temp enamel, right?
Yes,
okay,
that,
cool, very nice.
And the end bits as well. So once it goes in with the diff cover hydroblasted and the diff itself being enameled, it'll all look OEM and clean and nice. But yeah, this is one of the four. So this is a rear axle that's also been refreshed.
So new boot. You said that's
grease.
powder coat enamel.
Yes, that's just enamel sprayed.
Enamel spray. Okay.
It's got its mechanism in here.
Okay, so re-grease, new boots.
Yes.
Okay, check the splines and everything.
All good. You can see.
Yeah,
it's
all cleaned up.
Nice.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yep. So all these have been done as well. So that's like a full rebuild.
Yep.
From?
Let's call it a full refresher.
Full refresher.
Yeah.
But a detailed, heavy refresh.
Yeah. Yeah. It takes a bit of time, but while you're here, might as well do it all right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we got the money in the bank still. Well, it's fast going out the bank.
All before it goes.
So here we have the axles in the middle of being refurbished. So they're re-greasing. Then these will all be booted up. And again, these have been sprayed up. So that's how they look during the process. And what we saw before was how they look after. So yeah. So all four, two are done. These two will get done.